Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Webull screeners to quickly find stocks that match your trading style. First, open the Webull app and tap the Markets tab, then look for the Screeners section. Here, you can choose from preset screeners like Top Gainers, Most Active, or Unusual Volume, or you can build your own custom filter. When creating a custom screener, you can adjust criteria such as price range, market cap, volume, analyst ratings, and technical indicators like RSI or moving averages. As you refine each filter, Webull instantly updates the list of matching stocks so you can narrow your search with precision. Once you find a screener you like, save it for one-tap access anytime. Using screeners consistently helps you discover new opportunities faster and stay focused on setups that fit your strategy. Subscribe the channel for more videos.